everyone, welcome back my friends. We're gonna do a couple more little steps here on the garage today. It's pretty nice out, it's cold, a little bit cloudy, but again, this whole week the wind has calmed, so it's just great to work out here. We are just about to finish up the external construction on the garage, and this is a huge step. This means it'll be as durable as it'll ever be, and we can take our time doing interior finishing and the driveway and stone and all sorts of other things, but we can take our time. This part, with the siding exposed like this, it can get moisture, it can expand, it can cause some waviness, and it already did a little bit of that we corrected. So I'm very excited to get this step taken care of. These are pretty cool. These are the edge trim pieces that go around your corner. It's called a gable end. And you can see it bumps up a little bit to get over this ridge. And then it's flat on the face here. And that goes to the trim, the fascia here. So Dad's putting those screws in the front so that stays flat. And then we're gonna pull off this double-sided tape piece here, set it down, and I'm gonna put the screws in from the top. This is it. We are just about to finish up the roof once and for all. We have 2 pieces of ridge cap to put on. So this is some end closer. This is foam that is molded to fit those peaks like that. And it's got a sticky side, and that just gets put down along the edges here, and that's stuck on there, just inside where the lip is on the ridge cap on both sides. And that's just to prevent things from blowing up under here and then running down the inside of the metal. This is it. This is the last piece of the ridge, which is the last piece of the entire roof. Fun fact, when it's evening and it gets really, really cold, the rubber on your shoes gets harder and you lose traction. It's very hard to not slip and die. And that, my friends, is the end of day 21 and the end of the metal roofing. It's complete. It's all done. This has been another one of those huge steps that have been anxiously awaiting. The sun's going down. That's just about it. Thanks for hanging out with us while we do another section of this project. And I hope you come back and join me on the next step. I'll see you next time.